Applause for Simply the Jets.
Okay. Now as Mother Willow, we're going to just come together in this spiritual, this wonderful creation. So when you feel ready, come on, Jackie. That's it. When you feel ready, go for it. No, it's not time yet, Jackie. It's not time yet. Now's the time, Jackie. That's it, Jackie. That's it. That's it. That's it, Jackie. Just let it come on you, Jackie. Let it come on you. That's it. That's it. That's it. Come on it. Come on it, guys. Come on it. Let it go down on you. Let it go down. And if you feel that you want it to come on you, that's okay as well. That's it. That's it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel the red chakra. Like your red chakra. That's it. That's it. Just let it come all over you. Don't worry about the next. Okay, just bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Go down and go down and go down. Oh, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Oh, that's right, that's it. Just let it go down and let it go down and just come to that peaceful. Just let it come on you, that's it. It's okay. Let it come on you. It's alright. Come with this as well if you feel like it. Okay. I'm feeling a real energy over here, guys. I don't know if you're feeling that. Real energy. So if you just want to join me over here, and just feel that energy. It's okay. Feel it. Feel around him. Feel around him. Can I go down? Go down if you want. That's it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel that space. Feel that space around. Go down it. Go down it. That's it. And when you just can you just release it. Release it. That's it. Release away from it. Release it. Find that space. Zaki, it's not time. Release it. Release from it.
But I want to come on him.
No. He doesn't want to come on at this particular moment in time. You can do that in your free time later. Okay. And just come back to your space. And actually, 1 second. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Can you feel that? No, that's premature. That's premature. It's ready. Just that's it. Can you feel that energy in the room? And just bring it back. Bring it. That's it. Bring it back. Bring it back to your space. Bring it back to your space. That's it. Just let it come all over. That's it. Okay. I just want you to come together with me today. We just say a happy birthday to little Willow here. He's 6 today.
He's really enjoyed it. I wanted to go to Laser Quest.